In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Google Tasks, Google Spaces. We'll start in your browser at gmail.com. Once you're in Gmail, look to the right-hand sidebar for the tasks icon. It's the small blue circle with a white check mark. If the sidebar is minimized, expand it so you can see the icons clearly. Click the tasks icon to open the Google Task panel, which is where you'll create and organize everything. At the bottom of the tasks panel, click Add a Task. Give your task a clear, action-focused name so it's easy to identify later. Think of this as the parent task, the larger project or outcome you're working toward. Below the task name, use the Details field to add helpful context. You can jot down notes, links, or anything you want to remember when you come back to it. This keeps your main list clean while still capturing everything you need in one place. Next, set a date and time. Click the date option to choose when you want this task to be due. Adding a time is useful if you want a notification at a specific moment, and it also helps you realistically plan your schedule. When everything looks good, click Done to save the task. Now let's add subtasks under that parent task. In your tasks list, find the task you just created and click the three-dot menu next to it. From there, add a subtask. Type the subtask name. This should be a smaller, actionable step that contributes to completing the main task. If needed, add details for the subtask so you don't lose any context. Just like before, select the date and time for the subtask. Scheduling subtasks can be a great way to pace your work and avoid cramming everything into the last minute. When you're finished, click Done to save the subtask. Repeat this process for any additional subtasks you need. Each subtask can have its own details and schedule, while still living under the parent task, keeping your work neatly organized. That's it. You've created a main task, added useful details and a schedule, and then layered in subtasks to break the work into manageable pieces. This approach works the same whether you're using Google Tasks from Gmail or accessing tasks linked to a space, so your workflow stays consistent. If something changes, you can always go back to edit names, details, or dates without starting over. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying organized with Google Tasks and Subtasks.